Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to the Rising Star Academy. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Limits and Continuity, and the exercise is 5.1, question number 3. It says limit x approaches to 3, x plus 1 with square root minus 2 over x minus 3. So first of all, we will check by putting this limit. So let me write the question again. Now I will put the given limit into it. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 over 3 minus 3. So the answer will be square root of 4 minus 2 over 0. So square root of 4 would become 2. 2 minus 2 over 0. That is 0 by 0. So it's an undefined form. So this 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite form, that is called indeterminate form. So it means its solution is not possible. So how can we solve this problem? We can use the technique of rationalization to simplify this question. So now we'll see how can we solve it. Now we can solve this problem by the method of rationalization. So now we will apply rationalization method. First of all, we'll write the function again. Now we will multiply and divide the numerator value with opposite sign. So that is x plus 1. So here we have negative sign. We will change it into plus. And we will divide it by same value. Now we will use some algebraic terms or method. So if we have the form like a minus b times a plus b, so the result will become a square minus b square. So same thing in the numerator, you can see like this is a minus b, a plus b form. So now I will write it. So after multiplying, it can be written like this form. Now in the next step, I will apply the formula. So let apply. So in the next step, we will write it like this. Now I will simplify. So limit x approaches to 3. Square value is going to be cancelled with square root. So now I have x plus 1 minus the square of 2 will become 4, and then it is x minus 3 times x plus 1 plus 2. In the next step, we will simplify. So x plus 1 minus 4 over x minus 3, x plus 1 plus 2. Further simplify, that would become x minus 3 over x minus 3, x plus 1 plus 2. In the next step, we can see that x minus 3 and x minus 3 are same, so that is going to cancel out. So we will write limit x approaches to 3, 1 over square root of x plus 1 plus 2. Now finally we will put the limit into it. So 3 plus 1 plus 2, that is 1 over square root of 4 plus 2. The square root of 4 will become 2 plus other 2, and now the final answer is 1 over 4. We'll move to the next question now. In this part, when we will put the limit or replace x with 1, again our answer will become in 0 by 0 form. So we will do the rationalization and simplify the question. So let's start. One minus x. Now the next step for rationalization, we will multiply the numerator value but with the opposite sign, so that would be 2 plus square root of x square plus 3 divided by 2 plus, because here is negative, so we will make the opposite sign. Same in the numerator and in the denominator. In the next step, we will write in multiplication form. So it is written in the product form. Now we will apply the formula to simplify it further. So in the next step, I applied the formula. Now when we simplify, the square is going to cancel with square root. So I will write the next step now. After removing the square root, I will get this value. Now I will write the next step. Square of 2 will become 4, and when I remove the bracket, due to the negative sign that is outside, so the inner sign will be changed. That would become negative now. Denominator value would be written as it is. In the next step, I will simplify. So 4 minus 3, 1 will become 1 minus x square over 1 minus x times 2 plus square root of x square plus 3. Now if I put again x equals to 1, it would become 0 by 0 form. So I will factorize the numerator as well. So 1 minus x square, that can be written as 1 plus x, 1 minus x. Denominator value would be written as this. So here we can see that 1 minus x is going to be cancelled with 1 minus x. So the left we have limit x approaches to 1, 1 plus x over 2 plus x square plus 3. Now I will put x equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 over 2 plus square of 1 would be 1 plus 3. So in the next step, I will write over there 1 plus 1 will become 2, then 2 plus within the square root, that will become 4. Further simplify, 2 over 2 plus square root of 4 would become 2. Two over 4, so that would become 1 over 2. Now we will move to the next part.